Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Welcome in. Happy Friday to you folks. Good morning, Shane. Hello, hello. What do you know? Welcome in. All right, here we go. Rock and roll time. Crunch time. Um, Not going to look at that right now. Good morning, good morning. Hello, everyone. Welcome in. Hey, what's up? Daniel, Shane, good morning. Happy Friday, November 1st, 2024, the day of freedom. Good morning on YouTube. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a semi-automated trading algorithm on the futures market. Right now, we have a special Halloween weekend sale going on. You get 2 weeks of the algorithm for just $300 if you want to try it out. Right now, we got this Santa in a short, green $230. Got in at 20,254.75, green 250, 245. Keep tapping that screen. Help the algorithm. Help me help my channel. The more people that can watch, the more people might be able to join BoldBot. And we can help make a little bit of extra money each and every day. Mr. H Trades Will is in the house, probably on the treadmill at the gym by now. Pumping that iron, working out, getting in shape. I need to start, but I don't get motivated yet. I don't know how he does it. He's a motivated man. I need some of that motivation in my life to get my butt up and start working out in the afternoon after my stream. What broker? You need NinjaTrader as the platform. You can use any broker that works with NinjaTrader. So you can use Tradeify, you can use Apex, you can use Take Profit, you can use Top Step, I think. Anything that any of them that are allowed on NinjaTrader as the platform, John. There's a nice little trade by Santa, 300 some dollars in the green for that trade. That's just normal, and that's why you have to use. Uh, you can manually move that stop loss if you want to, but it's 125 of profit that was lost. You're correct, but that's why you have to understand how Santa works. Me, usually, I follow him real close behind if I'm running them on my live account and trying to build up the buffer. Went and got a haircut the other day. How do I look? So fresh and so clean? No? Okay. That's all right. NQ visual short here in a trade. Green 255. Kevy Kev, welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Good morning. Happy Friday, November 1st. Turkey month, Thanksgiving, and then Christmas will be right around the corner. Guaranteed green now. If you wanted to, guys, like I said, you could move the stop loss as it goes. You don't have to give back all of that profit. You could move the stop loss and trail it closer if you want to, or you just let the algorithm do its thing. $2,000 take profit target. Only risking 200. Guarantee green when it hits 400 in profit, and then you can trail it anyway. Yeah, we will be doing a giveaway for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So we'll be giving away another month of the standard algorithms around Thanksgiving time. So good morning to everyone out there. So I have a goddaughter, and she's on TickTok, and she does like nails, like custom nails for girls. She has over like 10,000 followers, and one of her videos has like over 2 million views. And I'm like, you need to be going live and teaching me how to get more followers, obviously. Like, how come my videos get stuck at 200 views? I don't know. Maybe people just aren't interested in making money. They're more interested about how their nails look. But okay, whatever. Me, I'm interested in making money. My nails can look however they want to look. She can come put, Christmas trees and turkeys on them for all I care. But right now we do have a weekend Halloween flash sale going on. It is just $300 for 2 weeks of the standard algorithms. She probably raps better than I do, probably. She has that in her, so $1,000 now on this NQ visual short. So far today we had NQ new 1 for 1. NQ open last night was 1 for 1. Early is a no play today, so you don't worry about that. And ES new took a win as well. You should do your nails and trade. Well, that's what I told her. I said, look, all you have to do is go live every time you have an appointment with somebody to get their nails done. I can't believe she has over 2 million views on one of her videos. And she has over 10,000 followers. That's like 3 times as many as I've got. But I'm just trying to help people make money, and she's making them look good. So you can see where people's priorities are at in life right now. And then they want to all complain that they're broke. So anyway, we're here today. We have the Halloween weekend flash sale going on until Sunday night at midnight. $300 for 2 weeks of the standard algorithms. who's my goddaughter. Her name is Ari, Ari, on TikTok. If you follow her, she does the custom nails. Who is that? Who is who? What else? What do we got? We got Santa? No. Santa's not in a trade right now. Santa is in a trade now. We'll put, for those of you over on YouTube, you can see both Santa and NQ Visual Long now, both of them looking to go in the same direction. Yeah, oh, my goddaughter, yeah. I saw her last night trick-or-treating with all of her sisters and nieces, and they came over to our neighborhood because my mom basically helped raise those kids because their mom was always working, and she's like best friends with my sister. But look her up on TikTok. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of girls with this name, but I think it's just Ari. Ari. I don't know. I have to look for. I don't know. I'd have to log into my profile real quick and see if I can find her. So it's actually, it's at there it is. That's her TikTok. But yeah, if you want to look at nails getting done. Alright. Short. Santa in a trade. Keep tapping that screen, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. Limitless, welcome in. Hello. What do you know? Santa's the only thing that I have in a trade right now because I had to disconnect all the strategies and turn them back on, and I missed a few, but we're here. Good morning, good morning. It is the Swag Show. We go live starting at 9:30 Eastern, Monday through Friday, with the bold bot beauties of Jen and Lauren showing you live futures market trading using bold bot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. A $200 trade here on Santa guarantees green of $75. And if you wanted to just let it run up, it will continue to run up and close the trade for you. I hope everybody had a safe, fun Halloween evening. Right now, we had NQ Open last night. That was 1 for 1. We had NQ Range New was 1 for 1. And ES Range New, a brand new strategy, also won for $175. And we're waiting on NQ later We're going to see if that wants to take a trade. $500 now on this NQ Santa run. Limitless, you have to get your own accounts or something. You know, I can't just tell you how much you're going to get on a return on 2,000. You would need to either put that into a cash account or get some prop firm accounts like Apex or Tradeify. Yeah, the bots lose, but they win more than they lose. And they're profitable overall. Otherwise, we would not be running them. We would put them in timeout and tweak them until they performed better. But if you're seriously looking into trying it, right now we have the weekend Halloween flash sale special of $300 for 2 weeks to try it out and see if you like it. We have a MicroStrategy game plan now that is projected to win $3,900 a month per account, and that's based on a $50,000 prop firm account. So if you want more information, please just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll put it over here on the screen so you can see it. This is NQ Visual Long. It is one of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. Roland, what's up, buddy? I keep on forgetting to call you, man. I'm so sorry. I'm going to do that today, hopefully. So 50K to make 3K a month. Yeah, well, it's a 50K prop firm account. You don't actually need $50,000, but if you get one of the prop firm accounts, that's what it's based off of. All right, nothing on long. Looks like pencil. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Welcome in. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Let's get up to 5,000 likes before 11:30. Yeah, if you're just gonna go with a cash account and you had $3,000 to invest into a cash account, you could run the MicroStrategy game plan on it for sure. How many times a day does the bot trade? Well, we have 8 different algorithms and about 40 different strategies. So that's a really tricky question to answer. Some of them only take 1 or 2 trades a day. Others, like Santa, can take 20 or 30 a day. Like this one here. This is NQ Santa. It's like a scalper, so it looks to take a bunch of trades a day. This one is NQ Visual Long. It can take up to like 10 or 12 a day. But then you've got other ones like Big Bang that might only take 1 or 2 a day. It all depends on what the market's doing and which strategy you're talking about. So just shoot me a message in TickTok, Roland. Remind me, will you? Matty G, hello, hello. My buddy, my friend, my confidant. We are here. It's a little chilly where I live. I actually had to turn my heat on. I forgot and left my window open last night. So it was a brisk 48 degrees inside my house this morning. So I run all the bots at the same time, or do I choose? So good question, Limitless. We have the MicroStrategy game plan set up, and we'll go over all that with you. But no, you don't run all of them at the same time. There's certain ones you run on certain days that perform better, and we basically give you a game plan to follow and lay it out for you. But yes, you can pick and choose if you want to. But why would you when we're trying to help everybody make money? We just basically give you the game plan, the blueprint to success, and we say, okay, you run A, B, and C on these days, A, B, C, D on these days, so on and so forth. And hey, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. What's up, Kyle? How would you manage 20 Apex accounts for a busy working guy? Diversify. I would put 2 or 3, Marcus, strategies on like 5 accounts, and then I put 2 or 3 more on another 5, and then 2 or 3 more on another 5. So I would split it up into groups of 5. So I would have 4 game plans for you. And that way they're not all 20 running on the same strategies, taking the same risks each day, just in case, worst case scenario, the algorithms take a loss that day. You wouldn't be too hurt detrimentally. But yeah, you got to diversify and spread it out. I would go in 4 groups of 5 accounts, and we could create a game plan for you, but that's what I would do. What's the profit percentage per day usually? Well, if it wins, it depends on what strategy. I mean, on the ranges, they won last night. NQ Open won $100. Okay. NQ New, it won $350 today so far. And ES New won $175. So that's 3 of the strategies, and they've already won you over $500 in one day. So it's kind of hard to say percentage-wise, but that's just that's all I know how to explain it to you, is by how much it wins each day when it wins. And most of them run at about a 90% or higher win rate. Sometimes it's a little less, but okay. Yeah, Marcus, if you're part of the BoldBot family and part of the group and you want me to help you, just message me in Slack and we can set up a Zoom and I'll try and help you come up with a game plan. Where did you get these bots? Lauren, the CEO of the company, created it. It's her company. I just work for her as an admin kind of per se, and social media influencer, trying to get more people to join the group. But she created it 4 years ago, and it's been getting better and better every year, with more and more algorithms and strategies. She puts like her entire life into this company. I swear she doesn't sleep but maybe 2 hours a day. It's crazy. She's the nicest person you'll ever meet, even though she busts my balls bigger than the Italians, so forget about it. Nick, Ricky, welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? How many are in the group? About 120 right now. I'm trying to build back up to 200, at least, if not 300. It's just times are tough right now for everybody, we know, but we're trying to help you with that. Joel, welcome in. Hello. Alfredo, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. Appreciate the follow. If you want to try out the algorithms, guys, right now, the flash sale, weekend, holiday, whatever you want to call it, Halloween spooktacular sale goes on until Sunday night at midnight. If you want to sign up and try BoldBot, it's only $300 for 2 weeks. So if you signed up today, you could get set up and going by Monday morning and be trading They don't really understand, especially when you say the futures market. Not a lot of people even understand what that is. But once you sit them down and explain it to them and show them how much money you can make, it's hooked. That's right, Shane. Tell them. We're here to help everybody. We're here to help each other become successful. I don't understand. But people are set in their ways, especially in this economy. People are afraid to take chances outside of their comfort zone. But sometimes you got to take that leap of faith and step outside your comfort zone and become comfortable becoming uncomfortable. You understand what I said there? You got to become comfortable being uncomfortable. Once you can master that, you will be successful. I took a leap of faith by quitting my full-time job, coming to work for Lauren, trying to help people by streaming 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, by helping the new people get set up, by posting on social media, doing the Zoom calls, setting up game plans for people. I left a full-time job where I was making decent money, but it wasn't like life-changing money, doing IT work for a hospital. And I had some benefits, but they weren't great. But you know what? It's like, why do I want to go work for somebody else 8 hours a day and barely able to survive when I can come help people feel good about what I do and make a lot more money? So, right now she doesn't have one. But yeah, so you just got to become comfortable being uncomfortable until you get over that fear of change. And I still have that with myself on starting to work out. Like, I guess I'm afraid to start working out. Either that or I just don't have the motivation to do it. I need to get up and go to work out after my streams in the afternoon for even half an hour, 45 minutes, whatever. But talk to him, man. If he's a truck driver, yeah. Those guys are the backbone of America. People don't understand that either. Just like those guys on the docks. If that guy really wanted to force that strike and shut down the docks, America would have been in real trouble. Just like if the truck drivers ever go on strike, America will shut down. But yeah, I need to start working out, exercising, if not just for my own health, but to, be healthy and set a good example for my three boys. You know, Elon's making a world free of money. That'd be good too. I wouldn't mind that if everything went back to a utopian or euphorian society, barter and trade type system. Just, why do you need money to live? Why can't we all just be happy? Because they got us enslaved into the grind of working our lives away. Yeah, I mean, BR, I understand what you're saying, but I also, she teaches how to manually trade as well. So I've learned how to manually trade, and the institutions, they use algorithms as well. So all we're trying to do is get our little piece of the pie each and every day, If we can make $100, $200 a day, that's good enough, especially when you can multiply that by 20 accounts. So just another stacker passed his 50K. I passed 8 of them so far today. I've got 2 more to go. I was going to trade with you guys here in a minute, maybe, if I can find a setup. I am about $90 away from passing 2 more, and that would have been 10 Apex 50K evals passed today. But yeah, BR, I understand what you're saying, but the big companies, they use algorithms just like we do. Ours is just on a much smaller scale. But I don't know what you mean by the bot will be inept. I mean, algorithms are always going to be able to run and make money. Big bang in a trade. Let me pull this up here. Move this over on the screen. Squish it. This is NQ Big Bang. So it risks, what does it risk? 400 per trade. What's up, futures scalper, aka Mr. Hawaii, aka my brother from another mother? Only has to make 100 a day. So it was an easy one. Nice. Yeah, I've got 100 more left to make on 2 more evals. I'm just, I was going to talk with you a little more. Uh-oh, I got to make sure I turn these off here. So the only ones I need on are that one and that one. So past that one. So I need these 2. Okay. Make sure I get them on there. We're just chilling, hanging out, talking, shooting the stuff. Watching NQ Big Bang right now. Take a trade. Vizzy Long in a trade here. So it's in a trade, and so is Big Bang NQ. It's in a trade. They're both in longs. That got in at 2033. This got in at 218. So you can see it's green. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. But what were we talking about? Oh, the bot and why BR thinks it'll be inept. I don't think algorithms or bots will ever go away on trading. I think if anything, they're just going to get better and better and more precise. And I can guarantee you the big companies and hedge funds and all those brokers, they use them just the same, but they have more money to spend in development and programming and all that. So we're just here to get a little bit a piece of the pie. As for you, brother, you know who you are. Thank you, Tino, for the heart. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. It's a brisk, chilly 48 degrees outside here today. It was just 80 degrees 2 days ago. Welcome to the Midwest. It's a Midwest thing, y'all. And y'all ain't got a clue why my cutlass blue and I got them things on it too. Oh, yeah, I understand what you're saying. Take SCIE to the moon. I have no idea what that is. Is that a crypto? Arizona Desert Rider? That's got to be a crypto, right? Or one of them meme coins or something. I don't know what you're going to tell. Right now, my name is Kyle, though. Thank you for being here. Welcome to the Swag Show. What do you know? I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Right now, we have a Halloween weekend special sale, $300 to try it for the first 2 weeks. So yeah, if you're ever thinking about it, I'm in central Illinois, and it's freezing cold here today. But it was 80 degrees 2 days ago, so that's the Midwest for you. Hopefully it warms up enough tomorrow tomorrow morning, I'll be at the Fighting Illini game playing Minnesota. So watch for me if you like college football. Montana? No, I'm in Illinois. Illinois, you put me in a miserable state. The slogan that they used to play the commercial is Illinois, you put me in a happy state. It's not a happy state. It's miserable. NQ visual long in this trade here. Santa is in a trade as well. It must be in a short though, because it's looking for the reversal. Yep. $300 now on this long. Now, if you wanted to, this is why it's called a semi-automated. Watch here, folks. I can click on this stop loss and move it up anytime I want. So if I wanted to drop it there, I can drop it there. And take profit as it goes. Even though the algorithm didn't move it, I can move it. How's Illinois? It's miserable. Cheap housing compared to most of the rest of the country for the size, at least where I live, the size of the house you can build. But the taxes are high. The politicians are crooked. It's a blue state because of Chicago. Otherwise, if you got rid of Chicago, it'd be a red state. And yeah, it's nothing but cornfields and soybean fields and cows. And the weather changes every day. And it's hot and humid in the summertime because of all the cornfields and the moisture trapped by the crops. So yeah, I hope that explains how miserable Illinois is. Dub Crawford, you're in Minnesota? Well, I'm rooting against them tomorrow when I'm at the Illinois game. Sorry, I'm an Illinois football fan, Notre Dame fan when it comes to college football. I just messaged you asking for the steps to get set up. Thanks. Yeah, Joel, did you email the boldbotllc@gmail.com? If so, they will respond and let you know. Limitless, we go live Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time usually on both YouTube and TikTok. For sure on TikTok with Lauren and Just Jen usually going live together in the morning at 9:30. Those are the Bold Bot Beauties. Lauren is the CEO. Jen is just another user and member of the group. They go live from 9:30 to 10:30. Then I come on at 10:30 to 12:30. And then he'll go live in the afternoon, and Laura will go live in the evenings. So you ever seen a crop field, UFO crop circle? No, not in real life. Big move up here. Look at that entry, though, on this algorithm, guys. Look how perfect of an entry that was on NQ Visual Long. We are green $555. It got in right at 20,218. Now, if I can't zoom in for you anymore, but I mean, if you could see the previous low, it pulled up and then rejected, and then it got in right there, and now it's just been moving on up to the east side. To that deluxe apartment in the sky. Fish don't fry in the kitchen. Beans don't burn on the grill. What y'all know about that? You didn't think somebody like me would know that song, did you? That's all right. That's why you never judge a book by its cover. All right, it's got above that 560. I'm going to maybe think about taking a long here, guys. I'm way above where I normally would, but with the volume being in green here, what chart am I using? I use a bunch of different charts. So I use a 15-minute chart, a 500 tick chart, a 1 minute chart, all the kind of look at different indicators and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and enter if it breaks this level of 71. It's got to get above 71 for me to take a long here. And I only need $90 on these other two PA or evals to become PA. So I don't want to like get into a bad trade right here. Just got my last account to my target of 400 done for the day with 5 accounts at 400. Very nice, Taylor. I'm watching that 275. There's 271. Let me put my crosshairs. Yeah, 275. Yeah, Shane, I see exactly what you're talking about. I was just about to click the long button buy, but I looked to my left and I saw the wicks get stopped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times at the 275 level. I guess that's going to be hard to get over. Let me zoom down here. But, yeah, I don't want to risk it, so I'm not going to take the biscuit right now and buy it until it gets up and over that level of 275 like Shane has mentioned. Benzo, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follow. Mr. Cartuza, maybe? I don't know. Hey, thank you for being here. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up, and thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean until your fingers turn green. We're at 5,600 likes. TikTok algorithm, I am not paying to get promoted like some of these influencers are, guys. I don't understand, number one, how some of these people have hundreds and hundreds of people watching them just talk and do stupid stuff and look pretty. I'm here trying to help you get rich, and I'm only stuck sometimes at 30, 40 viewers. So all I ask of you, if you're enjoying the content, just keep tapping that screen. If you're on YouTube, make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I'm here to help you as well. I can see if you ask any questions over there. Anthony Garrison, welcome. Is that Big Dub? Are you from Wichita, Kansas? Are you my friend? I knew a guy named Anthony Garrison. Maybe it was Anthony Grayson. It's been a long time. Been 23 years ago. But hey, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Glad to have you here. I appreciate the follow. We're watching right now NQ Visual Long. It is one of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot, a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Well, now that I see your picture, nope, you're not my friend, but hey, you've got a lot of followers, and I appreciate you being here. If you're interested in learning how to trade the futures market and you know nothing about the futures market, Lauren offers a digital mentorship where she teaches you how to manually trade. And there's $1,000 long. I'm in Illinois. All right, where's Santa? Santa is supposedly in a trade. I got to find him. He's hiding back here somewhere. There he is. He's in a short, okay? Can you see Santa? Santa in a short. I might have to move it down. I closed out my TikTok on my phone, but you're in Arizona. Yeah, it's probably a lot warmer in Arizona. What part of Arizona are you in? Are you in Scottsdale? If you are, do you know Andy Elliott? I know Andy Elliott. AJD, I am subscribed. All right. Thank you for being here over on YouTube. AJ, I appreciate you. 11/19 on 11/1, November 1st, 2024. Thank you guys for being here and tuning in. I appreciate it. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. I will do manual trades and manual level call outs When Shane's in here, he helps out as well. We're all here to help you guys. Everybody is here to help everybody. It's a very friendly community of traders. Not like some other groups where you have a bunch of rich pricks and a-holes that don't want to share their knowledge and let other people learn. So don't be afraid. Come on in. The water's warm. We're here to make everybody a little bit of extra money. 415 now on Big Bang NQ. That's Big Bang NQ. Stop loss will move up with it. Mesa is 60 degrees, and I know Andy Mason. No, Andy Elliott. He's one of the top sales trainers in the nation. Started with cars, was a car salesman, and has grown over the past 3 or 4 years. Very, very big. But anyway, Santa's in a trade. We got short and long in a trade, which you know what that means. Look what time it is. 11:21. They did it to us early today, Shane, looks like. So long got out of the trade. Short's in a trade. Santa's in a trade. But Big Bang is about to get stopped out here. Well, there's visual shorts, actually, the one in a trade, not long. Where's Santa at? There's Santa. $315 short here on Santa. 330, 365. Dropping it like it's hot. So the new squeeze range that it's in is hard. It's not getting over 20,270, and it's not really dipping below 20,233. It's kind of staying in that squeeze box right now. Yeah, Anthony, you need a computer for sure, and you need at least $1,500 for the first 2 months of the algorithm before you can start withdrawing from the profits. But yeah. Come join us as soon as you can. Q4 is usually where a lot of people can make some really good money. The algorithms usually perform very well. Nothing in a trade right now except Big Bang ES. And it's right at $172, so. Right at the bottom of a fair value gap that I have. So we'll see if it can push up and through this to fill it. But yeah, it's got to get above 275. I have yet to take that manual trade that I was going to take. I could have taken it down here at 242. On one of my charts, I saw that would have been a good entry right now. If it breaks 262, I could take along. I might just do it, guys. I might just push the button, and I'm going to. I like it. I'm going to push the button. I'm in along here. We'll see if it works out. In along here. I just need $100. Just need $100 to get up and over my evaluation pass here. We'll squeeze it on in so you can see together if this is going to work out or not. Might not be a good trade here, but it might be. You never know. We'll see. Over here on this chart, it looks like it's a good trade, right? Get up and over that 65. There we go. Keep running up. Keep running up. Get up to 70, 71, 75. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. This is my manual trade to pass my next evals. I'm going to lock in profit at around 80 bucks if I can, if it gets there. This does have a trailing stop loss, and there it kind of got hung up at 67. Get up there. Let's go. Push, guys. Tap the screen. Push NQ up and over 65, 70, 65 to 70. Go up there. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. No. No. You're going down. I need you to go up. You just got to talk to it sometimes. Trade's a trade. That 2-month thing is a question I need to hear. All right. Come on. Maybe we'll look back over here. Let it run on up there. Shane, what do you think? Am I going to make my 100 bucks here real quick or not? What's going on? I just need 100. Just need a hundo. 100 bucks and I can pass these evals. There it is. Where's my stop loss? There it is. 75, 100. Real close. Stop filled. 80 bucks. Where are we at? We're 20 bucks and 40 bucks away. We're 20 bucks and 40 bucks away. I could have let it run a little farther here, but that's all right. It was a winning trade. It was a winning trade. We made about 80 bucks there. So I'm 20 bucks and 40 bucks away from passing my last two evals. What do you think, guys? I mean, that was my fault. I did move it tight just because of where we're at. I wanted to see it get over 71 and then 75, and then it'll run up. And there it is. See, I could have just stayed in that trade a little bit longer, and we would have had it. But now I only need 20 bucks and 40 bucks. So that's, what, 2 points? I only need 2 points to pass these evals. So I'm just going to buy. Just going to click buy here and hope that it doesn't turn around right there on me like it normally will. I'll bring it back over here so you guys can see with me here. I just need 40 bucks here to lock in these evals. There's 45. Get up a little bit higher so I can put my stop loss in. Oh, get up there. Come on. Get up to like 60 so I can... There. Did I get it? I got one and I'm $11 short on the other. You son of a biscuit. All right. We got one left, guys, and it has $11 left. I think what I'm going to do for fun is I'm going to cross it over to micros. I'm going to cross it over to micros, and we're going to put like 4 micros on it. I only need 11 bucks. Nick, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Where are we at? Let me double check. There is nothing but Big Bang ES in a trade. Let me pull that up here off to the side so we can start looking at that. Big Bang ES. All right. There's a little pullback to that 75. So let's take a long here. Let's get on up. There it is, 260, 300. But now I'm on 4 micros, guys, so don't freak out. Don't freak out, guys. I'm on 4 micros here. Stop fill and passed. $53,022. We're done. We passed 11 evals. There you go. Can you see it? I'm trying to show you. There we go. Trying to show you real quick. Not lying to you. There's my evals. All above 53,000, except that top one, because they took that away from me and said they made a mistake. And that was liquidated. That was a really old account that somehow got renewed, and they just gave it back to me. And I'm like, what the hell is this one? But there we go. We're done trading for the day, for the week, for the month. It's a new month, so not for the month, but you know what I mean. Okay, look, Mom, we did it. No hands. All right, what is going on? Let's get this back over here. Move that. Move that. All right. Hey, we did it. Congrats to us, boys and girls, moms and dads, brothers and sisters. Put that back up there. Move that. Move that. Let me go through and double check all my stuff to make sure there's nothing still activated. Okay, we're all set. 10 Apex, 50 Ks. We'll be live on Monday. You can follow my journey with me, guys. Be here with me in the ups and the downs. Hopefully more ups than downs in the life of your boy Kyle here. On the Swag Show, what do you know? We got visual longs in a trade. Big Bang ES is in a trade as well. That's what you're seeing on TikTok. On YouTube, you're seeing both Big Bang and visual. Or maybe you could see part of on TikTok. I can't see. So what's next is they'll send an email, Anthony, saying that you passed 10 evals, and then you have to sign the PA contract for each one, and then you have to pay the $85 activation fee to become a PA account. Did you mainly use the bots to pass your evals, or was it mostly manual? It was both. It was literally probably 50-50, Zeke. I passed these in 6 days. So I would take normally 1 or 2 manual trades a day, and then I'd let the algorithms do their things on the other side of things. But literally, realistically, it was right at around 50-50 profit from manual and profit from the algorithms to pass these in 6 days. Degenerate Penguin, welcome to the Swag and Just Mount Up. Thank you for being here. All right, we got it. We got what we needed. Nick, welcome to the Swag and Just Mount Up. Thank you. Chauncey, you just missed it. Passed my final 2 evals there. I got 10 passed today. 6 days it took, but I passed all 10 of them today. And my Tradeify account, I made $374 today. So we're up $2,029 on the week on my Tradeify 150K account. How many hours a day? Well, I'm here streaming with you for 2 hours each day, Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. So I technically only put in about 3 hours of trading a day, because I'm here like before the market opens at like 9 o'clock Central or 9 o'clock Eastern time, and then I go all the way until like 12 o'clock, and then I'm done. So but it's 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm so confused because I say everything's on Eastern Time, but I live in the Central Time Zone. But never mind that. Don't get confused. I'm literally sitting at my desk working, though, helping people in a group. But I only look for manual trades in the morning. And I'll only take one, maybe two manual trades, depending on how the first one goes. Once these become live on Monday. And my Tradeify account, I'll do the same thing. I'll take like one, maybe two manual trades. How accurate? Some of them are 96% win rate. Some are 92%. Some are 81 and 78. It all depends on which one you're talking about. But the ones that we give you for the MicroStrategy game plan, when you first get signed up, those are in the 90s. One of them might be a little bit lower, but it is profitable. Yeah, so I trade from the open, which is 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, until I'm done with my stream. Otherwise, the algorithms are running in the background, you know what I mean? But I only look to manually trade for those like 3 or 4 hours at the most. Looks like a possible scalp south to 240. I could see that, maybe, but I'm done. It's probably just a pullback. It could go all the way to 236 if it wanted to, but that level fair value gap is right there at the bottom of it right now. This is ES Big Bang. What else is in a trade here? What can we show you? Visual short. Visual short picked it up at 20,275.75. It got in the short here. Guaranteed green. Yeah, just started trading on Apex and yet to pass an account. Join us. CX, join us, man. $300 Halloween weekend special sale. Good until Sunday night. $300 for 2 weeks of the standard algorithms. We have a MicroStrategy game plan set up for new members that's projected to win now $3,900 a month. Trading mostly on micros. So if you want more information, please email the email on the screen, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And let us know you want the Halloween special sale. Otherwise, you can click on my link tree. I have a link to Tradeify, to Fast Track, to Apex, to Replicanto, to the $500 trial for the first month, $100 manual alerts, $500 manual premium alerts, and all that good stuff. It is 11:39 on November 1st, 2024. Thank you guys for being here so much. I appreciate you. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. Hanging out, chilling, trading, watching BoldBot. NQ visual short now. Green $455 in this short. NQ later is in a trade, but I shut it off, luckily. Hey Kyle, question. After I hit profit target, do I need to do anything? You mean like when you get to 53,000, you need to stop trading it once you get over 53,000 on the eval, because that's when they will send you an email letting you know you passed. And then what happens next is you log into your Apex dashboard homepage, you click on signatures, and then you have to follow the steps. You basically click on signatures, then you sign the PA agreement, and then you have to go back, click on signature again, and pay the PA fee. So yeah, stop trading it once you hit 53,000. That's for sure. All right, short got out 300-400 bucks there. Not a bad little scalper-rooney. Big Bang still in a trade. Is Santa in a trade? Nope, Santa is not in a trade. But Big Bang is in a trade. Big Bang in this is ES Big Bang. Opinions on future XAU US gold versus US dollar. I don't have any opinions on it, honestly. I don't look that deep into stuff. It'll come at the end of the day later on tonight, Liquid. Probably after like 6 o'clock Eastern time, I'm guessing. It depends on how backed up they are, but usually that's when I notice the emails come through is after 6 p.m. Eastern time. Marvelous Marvin, where you been? How you been? Welcome in. 11:42 a.m. on November 1st, 2024. The day of freedom. Welcome in. Hello. Thank you for being here. It should come after 6 p.m. tonight Eastern time. No, you're okay. And then you'll just have to log into your Apex dashboard, sign the PA agreement, then under the signatures little tab there, and then you'll go back in once again, and then you'll have to pay the PA fee, and then you'll be set, ready to go on Sunday night. You're welcome, man. You enjoy your weekend. Be safe. If you want to sign up for the Halloween special, make sure you email and let them know you want to try it out for $300 for the first 2 weeks. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the weekend. If it's warm where you live, it'll be 64 tomorrow when I'm at the football game. So I'm going to have to bundle up in jeans, long sleeve shirt, and a sweatshirt, hoodie. What future do you use? What future do you use? I trade NQ mainly, but we have strategies for ES, gold, oil, silver, YM, RTY, silver, if I didn't say silver. We have strategies for all those futures, commodities or products, whatever you want to call them. Daryl can't get right. You better get some get right. Right now, Visual Short is in a trade, ES Big Bang's in a trade, and NQ Later, aka Bacon, is in a trade, but not looking too good on the home front for that trade unless this rejects here off the 38 level and moves up. 11:45 candle might help it turn around here. We'll see if it can continue up. It did not make a lower low, which is good, so we'll see if this can continue up here. ES Big Bang is what you're watching right now, one of the premium strategy algorithms. Normally it's $500 for the first month right now, guys, to try the standard algorithms. But we are doing a Halloween weekend sale special of $300 for 2 weeks. If you want to try it out for a shorter period of time, just let us know. We're here to help you make some dough. Let's go. What do you know? Ho, ho. It's the Swag Show water break. Gotta stretch a little bit. My legs are getting numb. The bot on ES will stop you out automatically. Yeah. It'll take profit automatically and stop you out automatically. If you can see the pink line, that is the stop loss. All right, I'm back. Would the bot pass the eval in those 2 weeks? Probably not on a $50,000 account. No. It usually, right now, it's projected to win $3,900 a month. So it would take a month if you were just using the algorithms by themselves, is what it's projected. I've only passed my 10 in 6 days because I manually trade on top of letting the algorithms trade. You're welcome, no problem. Chilling, hanging out. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. Bonnie, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. We just gave away 1 free month of the standard algorithms on Halloween. I'll be doing another giveaway come Thanksgiving. So we're not going to start taking names for the list on that giveaway yet. But yeah, I had the list right here. I'm going to clear that list. And looks like later just took a loss. So that's no good for those that are still in later. Looks like it's going down, down, downer. Here is NQ visual short. It caught the downer, down, downer. 20,252. It took the short. It's green 300, 400 bucks. Fernando, welcome in. Hello. What do you know? James Clevenger, hello. Welcome to the Swag Show. What does the bot trade? It trades the futures market. How long did it take you to code the bot? I did not code the bot. It is not my product. I just work for Lauren, who is the CEO of BoldBot. It is her company. I'm just now an employee, but she is the one who came up with it. Does the schedule bot trade is set to trade automatic or when you manage it? So it automatically gets into positions for you, but you can move the stop loss and get out of trades early. And we have like 8 different bots or algorithms and about 37 different strategies inside those algos. So but it trades pretty much every product on the futures market. We have strategies for gold, oil, silver, NQ, ES, RTY, YM. Can't really think of any more off the top of my head right now. But yeah. Yeah, for sure. More and more people are looking to get into that type of thing, for sure. We've been around for 4 years now, and we keep on coming up with better and better strategies. Um, but yeah, congratulations to him. I hope it's successful. It's not an easy thing to do. To come up with a successful algorithm, it's not easy. Alrighty. All right. Sorry about that. I had to catch up on some stuff that was going on in the group. Um, oh yeah, it looks fire, and any bot is not easy to code. Thing is, it doesn't even have to have a no for sure. There is no such thing as a 100% win rate. We have one that trades at 96% win rate right now. That's our most successful like win rate percentage that we have on any of the algorithms. Um, but it has a higher risk to reward than most people are comfortable with. Um, so let's see. Let me show you. It risks 1,700. So it has a really high risk on one mini. But, you know, it is what it is. That's how you get the higher win rate percentage, I guess, is you have to risk more to win less. But uh, anything above 50% is usually profitable. Yeah, for sure. Uh, New, NQ new range. And it won $350 already today. So on one mini. 350, but it's risking I think 1,700. Let me double check. Yeah. So it's a little bit much, but it's almost. I think it's still within the 5 to 1 on Apex. Let me double check. 1,700 divided by 350 is 4.875. So yeah, it's technically within Apex's rules on if you're using Apex and they want you to have no more than a 5 to 1 ratio, risk to reward ratio. So it's at 4.85. So that falls within uh, the guidelines for Apex. But that's big. That's a big risk. That's why you put it on micros. You run it on two micros. You're only risking 340 per trade um, to win 70. But hey, $70 a day is 1,400 a month, right? $100 a day is 2,000 a month, guys. If you can use an extra $2,000 a month income, all you need to do is make another $100 a day times the 20 trading days, roughly a month. Just think about that. Let that sit in. If you could find a side hustle, another part-time job, and you need another $2,000 a month, all you got to do is make $100 a day. $12. Yeah, it's all on the spreadsheet, correct. NQ Visual Long got in here at 20,231. We shall see what becomes. Why does it show that? It shows that new is still in a trade and ES. Oh, ES new. Okay. Shows ES news in a trade. That's why I was confused. I don't have that one on running. Must have missed that one. $220 now on the NQ Visual Long. Do, 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 do. Not a whole lot going on, guys. I appreciate you being here, still hanging in, watching the bots trade, listening to me. If you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Halloween weekend special sale still going on till Sunday night. So make sure you sign up if you want to get 2 weeks of the algorithms for just $300. Just let me know. Looks like they skipped lunch and went home. Yeah, they were too busy partying after the Jets won last night. Even though the Yankees lost the World Series, they were at least happy that the Jets won, so. Curious Cat, welcome to the Swag and Editors Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. NQ visual long, still in this long. It is 12:15, so the big boys are probably done for the day. They probably took an early lunch and taken the rest of the day off to get over their hangover from celebrating the Jets win last night, even though they're sad that the Yankees lost the World Series. But hey, it's all right. If this pulls back and gets out, we are definitely chopped. Yep. We're definitely chopped right now. Be careful if you're manually trading. We got a squeezed box of 20,250 back down to 20,218. Hanging out red, green, red now. Christmas consolidation, no good. Could be a weird head and shoulders pattern maybe on the 15-minute. Never know. So it got out of that long, got right back into another long here. We'll see if this one can go up and away. Still a gap to fill up at 20,500 as well. I don't know if it's going to ever get to that, but it could. You never know. I think it's pretty much a lot of buys here above 65. If it can get back up there to 65, it might continue to go on up. But right now we're at lunch eating steak and lobster. The big boys are. We're just the measly peasants eating the ramen noodle soups, trying to get our little piece of the pie. So, yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market action trading. If you want more information, please just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll be back Monday morning. Lauren and Jen, they should be back Monday morning at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the BoldBot Beauties, make sure you follow them on TickTok. How do you have Vizzy long and short both going on two different accounts? And they're not on my live accounts. I'm not running them live, but you have to put them on two different accounts basically. And yeah, when you get your PAs, you can't be in both directions at the same time. So if I'm going to put one of them on my live account, I would have to pick which one I wanted to run on my live account for that day. But since I was just trying to pass my evals today, I didn't have them on my live account. But good point, user. Why do I keep calling you user? I know your name is like canned spam, right? Yeah, canned spam. And you're in the group probably, and I keep forgetting who you really are. Told you need to change your damn TikTok name. Got about 10 minutes left in the stream for the week. Definitely some Christmas consolidation here at the lunchtime hour happening. Kind of a lot of sideways movement, as you can see. 20-point range-ish. $265, $245, $255. If you wanted to move your stop loss up and lock it in early, guys, you can. It's a great tool to do so, to get you into those positions, in good positions. Nothing wrong with moving the stop loss up and taking profit. You just click on it, drag it, move it up here, and drop it. But we're going to let the bot do its thing just to show you how it works. For the next 10 minutes. And then I'm going to go eat some lunch. I got a buddy coming over. I'm going to introduce him into both bot for a V wrap. So, alrighty. I got a Zoom call I got to do here. Got a Zoom call with a user real quick here after the stream. So let me message him. He's not even on. Who was it? Oh, Shane. Okay, Shane. Shane, you still on here? What are you doing? You must not be on here. NQ Day Waves is in a trade. It's in a short. NQ Visual Shorts in a short. No problem. Yeah, I was just making sure. I messaged you in Slack. I didn't see you green in Slack. I didn't know you were still on here, but yeah, as soon as this ends, I'll send you the Zoom link, and we can talk about whatever you need help with, which isn't probably much. We'll see if it bounces off of this 222 level here. Yep. Hit it and moved right back up at 222. Probably came within a tick of hitting that stop loss on this. I just can't zoom that in for some reason. That chart's broken. NQ Day Waves is in a short as well, though, so we shall see if it continues down or what it's going to do. Big bang, not in a trade. Minimize that. PBV, not in a trade. Just NQ Visual Long, NQ Visual Short, and NQ Day Waves. All in trades right now. Twin, welcome in. What do you know? Good Friday, Good Friday. November 1st, 2024. 23 years ago today. Freedom, let it ring. We'll see what happens on this trade, guys, in the next 6 minutes, and then I'm going to head out for the weekend. I'll be back on Monday. Make sure you join Jen and Lauren in the morning, Monday morning, 9:30 Eastern Time. And I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. If you haven't already followed or know, make sure you click on the follow button so you can watch more live futures market trading. 230 to even is when it got into this long. So came within a tick of closing out, but that's what, that's what the algorithm's all about. It's got settings for a reason. Lots of testing and back testing and all types of stuff. All right. It's moving too slow for the swag show, so I'm going to go. I'll catch you all next week. So make sure you have a great, safe weekend. Spend times with your loved ones. Make a plan. Study, strategize. Practice and sim if you want to on market replay. And just enjoy yourselves, all right? Tell somebody you love them. Give them a hug. And I'm going to see you next Monday. All right. Peace out, guys.